Is that really me? I look beautiful. This dress, it's perfect.
Miss Leah, these are for you. Oh, wow.
Miss Leah, His Majesty requests your presence.
Why does the king want to see me?
Miss Leah, His Majesty awaits.
Leah, you look so beautiful.
Your Majesty, why did you ask to see me?
Leah, there's something I need to tell you. Years ago, I made a terrible mistake. I believed a lie, and I lost someone very important. My daughter, Leah, you are my daughter.
What? That can't be.
That necklace, I gave it to your mother before you were born. And the blanket you were found with, it's the same one we used when you were born.
Then Derek and I, we can't be together.
Please, come with me. I'll explain everything.
Derek,
Leah, I don't think I can deal with this every day.
now I understand why he was acting so distant.
Leah's taking too long. Something's wrong. Excuse me, do you know what's going on?
His Majesty is talking to her. She is his daughter.
His daughter? Leah, the king's daughter? That doesn't make sense. I saw them that night.
And that's what happened.
I understand you felt betrayed. Thinking she deceived you, that must have hurt. But I was just a little kitten. None of it was my fault.
I know, and it's a mistake I'll regret for the rest of my life. But now you're here. This is your home.
I already have a home and a father. He took care of me all these years. He never left me.
I know, and I'll always be grateful for that. That's why I'm not asking you to leave him. He can stay here, with you. I'm only asking for a chance. Let me try to make things right.
I'll try. This is too much. I don't even know how to process all of this. And Derek, how am I supposed to face him now?
Of all times, she has to look this beautiful right now.
Derek, what are you doing here?
We need to talk. So, the king told you everything.
That's why what happened between us, we have to let it go.
You think I can just pretend none of it happened?
Whatever we felt, it doesn't matter anymore.
It matters to me. I can't just forget it.
But we can't. You know why?
Then don't say it. Not right now.
No, Derek, we can't do this. Please, don't make this harder than it already is.
What was I thinking?
I have to let him go, even if it hurts this much.
Leah? Leah, what's wrong? Why are you crying? I always thought finding your real parents would make you happy, but you don't look happy.
It's just too much, but the only father I've ever known is you.
Maybe it would be better if I left, so I don't cause any trouble.
No, the king said you could stay, but if you choose to leave, I'll go with you.
That wouldn't be fair to you. You deserve the life you were meant to have. And I won't be the one to take that away from you. I'll stay with you.
Your Highness, you may go in. You have a visitor.
How could you do that to Leah?
I don't know what you're talking about.
Stop lying. The king told me everything. Do you have any idea what you've done to me? I was in love with her. She was the only person who truly mattered to me. And now, everything is ruined.
Everything I did for you. You can't let her take what's yours.
So this is all you've ever cared about, isn't it? I'm done playing along, and I won't let you hurt Leah again. I'll make sure of it.
That man, he must have done something for all of this to come out. Do you really think I did all of this alone? That detective always knew the truth and stayed silent all this time. Don't trust him, Derek.
She's a princess now. I don't stand a chance, unless I become who I was before.
Liam!
You look amazing. So, it's true. You're the king's daughter.
Yes, I'm still trying to believe it.
I guess things are different now. You're a princess, and I'm just someone who works here. So, things won't be the same, right?
No, nothing has to change. I'm still the same Leah.
And what about you and Prince Derek?
That should have never happened. There's no future for us.
So, Maybe this is my chance to finally tell her how I feel. Leah, I can't keep this to myself anymore. I've been holding this in for too long, and if I don't tell you now, I'll regret it.
If only I had done things differently. Would you have had a better life, Derek? She said she would come. What if she changed her mind?
Don't think this will happen again.
He's here.
This is the only time you'll see him.
Hello, little one.
That's enough. It's time.
Please, just one more moment.
No, that's enough! We're leaving. And remember our agreement. Stay away and keep quiet. As long as you keep your part, you'll be rewarded.
It's what's best for him. I thought I was doing the right thing.
What is he still doing here?
Hey,
What is this?
no, he can't see that.
That's me. Why does he have this?
No, he can't know.
Why do you have this? Tell me.